5 amazing health benefits you can get from eating sweet corn. So, let's dive right in. Number 1. Sweet corn is a great source of fiber. This means it can help keep your digestive system running smoothly and even promote regularity. Number 2. Sweet corn is packed with vitamins and minerals. It's a good source of vitamin C, which is essential for a healthy immune system. And it also contains vitamin B6, which is crucial for energy production. Number 3. Sweet corn is a good source of antioxidants. These help protect your body from damage caused by free radicals, which can lead to disease. Number 4. Sweet corn is low in calories and fat. This makes it a great choice for those looking to maintain or lose weight. Number 5. Sweet corn is a good source of carbohydrates. These are your body's main source of energy. So eating sweet corn can help keep you going throughout the day. So there you have it, folks. 5 fantastic health benefits you can get from eating sweet corn. Thanks for tuning in. And don't forget to follow and subscribe for more health tips and advice. Stay healthy, everyone.